It's here. Let's unbox it and see if it's any good. Just got it. Here's the packaging. Kind of standard. I do like how the snake kind of winds around the whole box. Kind of cool, but we'll see if the bottle's any good. So this is the first time I feel like the actual top really fits with the bottle. Like you get that snake skin wrapping around it. It's actually kind of textured on the bottle of the snake skin. I think it looks really cool. The reason you're here, you do not care about the packaging of the bottle. Does it smell good? Let's find out. Real quick, here is the atomizer. They're all good. I swear, Rasasi, they do a good job with their atomizers. Wow, that is not what I was expecting. It's like a warm, dark, spicy fragrance. Almost has like a, it smells very familiar. It smells very familiar. I'm picking up some tobacco in it. Tell you what, let's look up the notes. Yes, I was cheating. To me, I was gonna say it smells like a dark, chocolatey, sweet fragrance. And like, okay, what does that mean? Okay, so there is saffron. There's cannabis in this. Interesting. This is my first cannabis fragrance. Thyme, green notes, something else. Tobacco, coffee, raspberry, cinnamon, violet, tonka, musk, and again, I don't know what that is either. You're like, why am I watching this video? I'm sorry. Welcome to Nubs Fragrances, where everything's random. I will say, and this is gonna sound weird, it almost reminds me of like a Xerjoff Overture type fragrance. I don't know if it's Overture exactly, but that's what my brain's telling me. Oh, this is good. This smells like a premium niche fragrance. Does not smell like, why on earth are you wearing that? This is a, ooh, he's classy. What are you wearing? It smells really good. Like it smells really good. It smells, I swear I have a niche fragrance that smells like this and it's gonna bother me. If I can leave you the one thing, warm spice, tobacco, coffee, kind of combined a little bit with a little sweet raspberry tonka bean action in there. Not like you're getting heavy raspberry scent, but the sweetness with that tonka is working really well. It's good. I would definitely say this one is way more masculine than Verde, which I just did a release video on that. This one's really masculine. Like this would not be described as unisex to me. I'm not saying ladies couldn't wear it, they can, but this is definitely a masculine fragrance. Oh, it's so good. Shoot, I have to wear this today. This has to be my scent of the day today. For those of you missing my scent of the day videos, today I'm wearing the new Hawas VIPER. I'll let you know if it's any good later. It's so good so far. Get your nose on this. Let me know in the comments, have you smelled VIPER?